Look at these 3 points. Can you tell me whether these 3 points are collinear or not? Well, what is the meaning of collinear? Well, 3 points are collinear if they lie on the same line. So even without looking at the coordinates of these points, you can tell that yes, these 3 points are collinear because they are lying on the same straight line. Now what about these 3 points? Can you tell me whether they are collinear? Well, you know, if you have to check whether 3 points are collinear, what do? You check whether AB plus BC gives you AC or not. So you will easily take out the distance between AB, BC and CA and verify whether they are collinear or not. But is there any other way to check collinearity of points? Or we are limited to this AB plus BC is equal to AC? We don't have any other method? Well, yes, there is even one more method. You know, to check collinearity, we verify whether AB plus BC is equal to CA. Now, one more thing we can do is check if the area of the triangle formed by them is 0. Now, why is the area formed by them 0? See, if these 3 points, you can see they are collinear, they are lying on the same line. Can you tell me whether they will form a triangle or not? Well, 3 points, if they are on the same line, how can they form a triangle? Now, suppose I shift this A to here. So, it can form a triangle. But then, will it be collinear? It will not lie on the same line. It will come external. It will come as an external point. So, this will not lie as in the same line. If suppose I shift it to here. Now it will form a triangle, but again it will not lie on the same line. The points will differ. So that is why we are saying that if 3 points are collinear, the triangle or the area of the triangle formed by them will always be 0 because they will never form any triangle between them. So now with those 3 points, let's check whether they were collinear or not using the second test. Now we have already taught you how to find out the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle ABC, we have to find out using this formula when we do half whole bracket x1 small bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 small bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 small bracket y1 minus y2. Okay, so now we substitute these values and we take out the answer. Let's first name these x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now let us substitute. So area will be half bracket x1 is 4, y2 is 5 minus y3 is 7 plus x2 is 7, y3 is again 7 minus y1 is 2 plus x3 is 9. Now y1 is 2 and y2 is 5. So we have substituted the values instead of x1, y1, y2, y3, x2 and x3. Now let's solve this further. Is equal to half. We get as 4 into minus 2 plus 7 into 7 minus 2 is 5 plus 9 into 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3. Now let's solve this. Now 4 into minus 2 will give us what? Minus 8 plus 7 into 5 will give us what? 35 plus 9 into minus 3 will give us 27. So half into minus 8 plus 35 is 27 and 27 minus 27 is what? 0. So half into 0 is what? 0. So we have seen that we got the area of triangle ABC as 0 square units. That means the collinearity of 3 points A, B and C is verified using the area of triangle ABC. So what did we learn? If 3 points A, B and C are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed by them, that is A, B and C, will be what? 0 square units. We'll use this formula to find out the area of the triangle and then we'll equate it with 0. As area formed by them, area formed by the points which are collinear will always be 0.